Understanding 3D and 2D shapes. Introduction. We have been introduced to various three-dimensional shapes in earlier classes. We have also identified their faces, edges, and vertices. Nets of 3D shapes. If we visualize 3D shapes on 2D surfaces, that is, on plain paper, we can draw the net. A net is a sort of skeleton outline in 2D which when folded results in 3D shape. Example, take a cardboard box. Cut the edges to lay the box flat. You have now a net for that box. In given figure, we can see the net pattern for a box. Drawing solids on a flat surface. When you draw a solid shape, the images are somewhat distorted. It is visual illusion. Here two techniques to help you to draw the 3D shapes on a plane surface. 1. Oblique sketches. 2. Isometric sketches. One. Oblique sketches. To draw an oblique sketch, we need a squared, lines or dots paper. Here are the steps to draw oblique sketches of 3x3x3 cube. First, draw the front face. Draw the opposite face somewhat offset from step 1. Here the two faces sizes should be equal. Join the corresponding corners. The sketch is ready now. Note, the edges which are all equal in a cube appear so in the sketch, though the actual measure of edges are not taken so. 2. Isometric sketches. To draw sketches, we can use isometric dot sheets. In this, the paper is divided into small equilateral triangles made up of dots or lines. Example. Now we draw an isometric sketch of a cuboid of dimensions 4x3x3. Steps. 1. Draw a rectangle to show the front face. 2. Draw 4 parallel line segments of length 3 units starting from the 4 corners of the rectangle. 3. Connect the matching corners with appropriate line segments. 4. The sketch is ready. Visualizing solid shapes. Example. If two cubes of dimensions 2 cm by 2 cm by 2 cm are placed side by side, what would be the dimension of the resulting cuboid? Solution. When we kept two cubes side by side, the length only increases. That is, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 centimeters. The breadth and height are not changed. So, breadth is equal to 2 centimeters, height is equal to 2 centimeters. Viewing different sections of a solid. An object which is in 3D can be viewed in different ways. 1. Cutting or slicing the object. When you cut a loaf of bread into horizontally, you get several square pieces. We call this face a cross section of the whole bread. The cross section is nearly square in this case. You also noticed cross sections of some vegetables when they are cut for the purpose of cooking in the kitchen. Shadow play. Shadows are good way to illustrate how 3 dimensions 3D objects can be viewed in 2 dimensions. A shadow play is a form of entertainment using solid articulated figures in front of an illuminated backdrop to create the illusion of moving images. It makes some indirect use of ideas of mathematics. Experiment. Place a circular tumbler in the open. When the sun at the morning time, the shadow of the tumbler is just right above it. Again in the evening, the shadow of the tumbler is just left above it. Here you can study the shadows in relation to the position of the sun and the time of observation.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.